Just an update on the 951 restoration. The piston liners have been prepared now for refitting. I've checked the ring gaps in their bores and they are fine. Fitted the piston rings, fitted the big end shells, fitted new bottom end bolts. So it's going to be like a new engine when it's done. The cylinder head has already been refurbished anyway, so that's progressed quite well. So as you can see, this is the old liner. You can see the state of the liner. But these are quite good quality liners that I had from James Gowan. I can't fault the company. They've sent some great parts, good quality parts at a reasonable price. The bonnet has been primed. The two lower side covers towards the midway of the machine has been cleaned. It's a lovely day in South Wales. This sun's out, and this is the setup for the semi-rotary pump for filling from a 45-gallon drum. That's the filler pipe. So it's all taking shape. It's a lot of work involved, but it's all taking shape. It's going to be a lovely machine when it's done. I've always liked the 951s. But the fuel tank is that's ready. It's in primer. So there's a number of projects. You've got D2 cylinder head to fit, TD6 to rebuild, JCB to complete, plus the gardening. I think this afternoon I'll have a bit of a breather. This afternoon, done a lot of jobs I want to do in the week. Just trying to catch up. But over the next few days I'll be rebuilding the engine for the 951. So we'll be glad when that's done. So till next time.